Yo, what is up, guys? TomTheBowler here, and today we're gonna be doing something a little different. Since we did Bowling Paradise last video, I think we should take it a step notch and play this game called Teardown. Now they just added this new mod. So you press play, go into featured mods right here. And you have all these cool things to choose from, like the Cyberpunk minimap. Like, oh my god, there's so much! But I'm starting off with this one, a California house. Now, this game is fun, because in this game, if you don't know what Teardown is, it's basically a game where you basically just destroy stuff. And damn, the garage opens too. Wait. Get this out of my way. Oh my god, this game is so fun. This game can really manage your stress if you want it to. Holy crap, wait, what's my volume at? Hold up. Alright. Well, that's too bad if you guys just can't hear me over the smashing. Oh my god. Wait, can we leave? I wanna know. Wait, is this a gate? What is this? Wait, so we can't leave? Oh. Let me through. Wait. Oh. We can't leave. God damn it. Okay. Wait. Bro, I'm stuck. No, this can't be how it ends. I'm gonna drive this into the pool. Oh! What the hell? Wait, can I destroy the ground? No, I can't. That would be so funny if I could. Yo, I got a basketball hoop. Yo, slam dunk. Oh crap. Slam dunk! Man, I'm too good. It's just the basketball just absolutely dominated it because of how good I am. Breaking into my own house, be like, where the heck am I in the first place? Am I in okay, interesting. This is a big damn California house. I should probably stop saying that. Ooh. Oh, wow. I would love to live here, but it's a video game, so I have to. I'm sorry. Destroy! Oh! FUTV! Man, this channel ain't family friendly anymore. Come on, guys. I need to gain my family friendliness back by destroying stuff. Okay. Okay. Wait. Do I have anything else? I can spray paint. I can decorate the house. Oh my god, dude, this is the best, bro. Smoke gun. Oh my god. Ah, let's go, bro. Oh my god, dude, this game is so fun. Alright, goodbye kayak. Oh, I just put a hole in the wall. Alright, just digging down in Minecraft. You know how it is. Wait, is there a basement to this place? No, there isn't. Okay. What's in here? Heck you, door. What's in here? A chair? Oh, simple closet. What's in here? Oh my god, stupid door. Just... I'm like laser beam destroying doors when he went like 4 years ago when I started watching him. Oh my god. Shout out to Laserbeam, he's the best. Wait, can I get on here? Oh my god, dude, this is the best update ever. Thank you, Teardown, let's go! Whoever made Teardown, shout out to you for making it so much better. Oh my god. New mods, new everything. Oh my god, there's even this little space. What the heck is this, bro? Sorry, every time I have to get inside, I have to break in. Alright, say goodbye to the refrigerator. Is there even anything in here? That's the question. There's nothing in here. That's bullcrap. Bullcrap. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. I'm just decorating the place a little bit. Painting the screen yellow. Pea color. Yep, that's totally normal. Okay. Oh my god, the house is on fire. Oh, it actually is. Oh my god. Did I put it out? No. Oh my god, stupid fire, just go out already. Wait, did I do it? Nope, I didn't. I'm just, wait, where is this fire? It's under here. Oh, it's right here. Ah, die, fire, die, die. Oh god. Is there any more fire? No, but this house is now nice and toasty. I'm breaking out of my own house. That just... Yo, this is the front. Oh my god, this front yard is beautiful. Oh, what? I didn't know you can fly. Oh my god. Look how big this place is. Oh, well, that gives me fall damage. Okay, lesson learned. Don't fly, guys. Oh, crap. Oh my god, stupid metal block. Okay, just, yeah, punching the stairs. Totally normal. Breaking the glass. Holy crap. Okay. Oh, this is how you get into this room, and how do you get out of this room? Oh, this way. Great. Oh, dance, dance, dance with my hands. Alright. I should probably try that trend here soon on YouTube Shorts. I'm just going through walls, you know, totally normal thing. Oh my god, let me into my stupid garage already. Alright, time to do some stuff with the garage. That's one thing checked. Oh. Maybe backyard first, hold up. Bro, why can't I smash the pool? I want to smash the poo. Drive vehicle. No, I can't. I want to smash this poo so bad. Can I smash this? At least I can smash that. Good. Ooh. Some nice little stockings. Here, I'm gonna jump into, oh shoot. I'm gonna jump into the pool. Oh god. There we go. Yeah. Oh, how did that, is it because I hit the bottom too hard? Yeah, I think so. Alright. Oh, well, there's a backside of it. Oh, I can just jump right over that. See you later, Dad's tools. Bye, garage. Nobody Oh my god, dude. What have I done? What have I done? Wait, let's park another vehicle in the garage. Oh my god. How is the garage not broken yet? Let's park this in the garage. Cannonball. Come on, break off already. Oh, I did it! Oh my god, it's like glitched. Alright, my turn to park. Haha. Here, you know what? I'm gonna ram the truck with this. See what that does. Like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Oh god. Yeet. Wait, I'm gonna break a window. Yes. Break everything. Just destroy this garage. How is it still alive? I don't understand. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna finish off this. Alright, yeah. The garage isn't officially dead. Pretty sure the whole house was dead now. Ooh, there's a window to break over here. Alright, well, let's go check out some other things, shall we? Great gameplay, huh? Great gameplay. That's what you say. Let's try this one. Let's see if this is great gameplay. Let's see if my viewers enjoy this. Let's see if this is truly great gameplay. I'm tired. It's the same day I recorded that Bowling Paradise earlier. Like, film gear. Wait. I want to know if there's a bowling center here. Hey, hold on. More mods. Banana ball. I'm gonna enable that. I don't dance with my hands. Alright, well, I'm going to look if their workshop has a bowling center. Oh, no way. A bag and a bowl of pizza rolls. Bowling alley, what's this? Oh, hell no, that's lame. Bowling alley. I guess out. And this channel's kind of a bowling channel, so I guess that would work. Alright, back to the game we go. If you want any tutorial videos, just... I don't know what you should do, because I can't really enable comments. Yeah, look at the music. I don't know if it's just me, but last time I played, I couldn't hear anything. But now that I restarted the game, I can hear music. Let's just say that. Ooh. Oh, I have a jetpack. Oh my god, why are these pins so big? The pins are bigger than me. Oh my god. It's ragdoll physics. Strike. Oh my god. Oh, I got a strike inside of a non-bowling game. Honestly, that's kind of like... Wait, can I actually bowl? Hold up. I know it is. And boom! Oh! You have to be like over here to do it though. Yay. Oh my god, guys, I got a strike. Woohoo. This thing can only like knock down a pin. Oh, okay, that's more like it. Let's try on this line. And yay! Perfect, I got 0 pins. Great start. Oh my god. Yay! Oh my god! That gave me a freaking jump scare. Oh my god. This is destructible. I don't know why. Oh my god, why did it explode like that? That's no. Wait. Oh my god. Oh no! What the hell, man? Oh god, no! Oh god. Okay. Die, pins, die. Oh! Bruh. That was actually a decent ball in it. Oh! Wait, that broke it! Wait, what if I hit it hard enough again? Does it explode? Oh my god, no! The bowling ball! Oh wait, there's more. There goes my health. Yeet! It's basketball, slam dunk, let's go. Whee! Alright guys. That's gonna do it for today's video. Let's see, how long was this video? I swear. Okay, so it was a decent one. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Ooh, do you like my background? But anyways, hope you have a great rest of your day. Let's see. I'm gonna be posting this on a Friday, so tomorrow. Happy Christmas Eve tomorrow, okay? Tomorrow. Alright, well, at the time of me recording this, it's the 21st, as you can see, but I'll be posting it by then. It's gonna be the 23rd, so anyways guys, hope you're all doing great. Hope you have a good rest of your day. Hope you have a good Christmas. And anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.